Omwe wa andu gikundi-ini giki ari na rugano rwake mwene kana rwa mundu wa nyumba yake ukoretwo akihurana na murimu wa kansa. Hassan Gulo na mutumia wake mokite ni undu wa mwana wao uria wamenyekire ari na murimu wa kansa mwaka wa 2018.
Mtoto alipatikana na ugonjwa wa kansa, wanaita bucket lymphoma cancer. Tulipata kujua hiyo mtoto akona hiyo ugonjwa in a very short time, na hiyo type of cancer wanasema inaenda mbio sana.
Ta aciari ino ikoretwo ari thabari ndito muno kuona mwana wao na ruo ruingi oginyagia magikinya handu ha gukua ngoro.
Tulilia sana, familia walilia sana. We gave up. We said huyu ni kupelekwa tu. Sasa huyu Mungu ameshachukua.
Kansa ya thakame ni gatagati ga kansa iria inyitaga ciana ta uria dagitari Catherine Nyongesa aratariria.
Childhood cancer is a common illness in children, and the majority of the cases we see include leukemias, eye cancer or retinoblastoma, lymphoma, kidney cancers and brain tumors, just to mention a few.
Maruru ma murimu uyu monekaga ginyagia riria mundu aramukira urigiti. Hassan akiuga riria muruwe amukagira urigitani niguo ahinyiririkaga muno makiria.
Every time anapewa chemo, the effect is hata kucha zote zinatoka, nywele zinamwagika zote, mwili inaisha kabisa, na nini zake ni effect zake ni mingi sana.
Every treatment makes a difference in a patient's life. It may be for cure, and sometimes it's just to manage the symptoms.
Kuhitukira thibitari wa kurigita murimu wa kansa wa Texas kuko Nairobi, makiri ma arwaru ni mahotete gukurana uria mundu angeikara na oho gukorwa kirigitwo murimu uyu riria wamenyeka tene.
Since we started, we've treated over 30,000 cancer patients, just working with them through the journey. And if you look at the global cancer statistics in Kenya, we see that as a country we diagnose over 42,000 new cases. Unfortunately, we lose about 28,000 patients every year.
He made it with the help of God. As a family, we are very happy and we are proud of him. He's also a giant, he's a hero.
Kambini ya kansa ya ciana igitiriho mweri ukite ugukorwo kirongoreria kansa iria inyitaga atumia na makiria kansa ya nyondo.
Lele wapige kwa clap as we celebrate. This is how we are going to